This program provides education, not advice. Sponsors pay a fee for endorsements and interviews. See the truthayf.com disclosure page for details.
This is where technology, innovation, and personal finance come together.
This is the truth about your future with Rick Edelman. Brought to you by Global X ETFs, dedicated to providing investors with unexplored intelligent solutions, and by Invesco QQQ. Anyone can become an agent of innovation with Invesco QQQ. Invesco Distributors, Inc.
It's Tuesday, April 25th. Charlie Munger recently wrote an op-ed in the Wall Street Journal saying America should ban crypto. His partner in crime, Warren Buffett, says Bitcoin has no unique value at all. He doesn't think crypto counts as money, and he also said he doesn't understand Bitcoin. Warren said, and I quote, "I get in enough trouble with things I think I know something about. Why in the world should I invest in something I don't know anything about?" Well, let me help out both of these guys. Let me give you just a few real-world examples of how crypto solves problems and is helping millions of people around the world. First, let's talk about social media. We all know the problems with social media. There's corporate control, censorship, massive amounts of misinformation. Billions of us, though, use Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn and so on. Everything we post to all of those sites is owned by them, not us, even though we create the content. They can sell our data, alter it. They can even shut us out of it. We need the benefits of these social networks. Can you imagine your life without Facebook or LinkedIn? But we need these benefits without the big brother element. So let me tell you about Farcaster. It's a decentralized social network and brand new. You own and control your follower list, your content, even your username. All your data is stored on the Ethereum blockchain, not some corporate database. It's open sourced, not controlled by a powerful company. That means your social media is your property. You get the profits, not Facebook or Twitter. Or try this one. You know you can now order groceries online. You get delivery in hours. You can stream movies to your phone almost instantly. But if you want to send money from your bank account to somebody at another bank, or if you want to pay a bill via ACH, or if you want to pay employees, it takes days, even longer if it's a weekend or a bank holiday. All of this is solved by stablecoins. Stablecoins are dollars. They reside on a blockchain. Your money moves at the speed of the internet, 24/7, 365. You don't need a bank account, and you avoid all the bank fees. And if you live in a country with a bad economy or a corrupt government, or where you can't get access to a bank, stablecoins let you use digital dollars without any bank or government involved. People and businesses around the world have already put over $100 billion into stablecoins. One of the most popular is the USD coin, 1.6 million users worldwide. There have been $2 trillion in stablecoin transactions just so far this year. That's more than PayPal did all of last year. Now, let me give you another example of the usefulness of blockchain tech and digital assets. We all depend on Google Maps and Waze, but those maps don't get updated often, and you're the user, not the owner. That means the profits go to Google, not you. Well, there's a new project called Hive Mapper. You plug in a dash cam to your car. That's it. The camera takes photos, sends them to Hive Mapper. It adds the info to its database in real time. Users pay for access to the map. You earn money by owning the Hive Mapper coin called Honey, which runs on the Solana blockchain. In just 3 months, Hive Mapper has mapped nearly 1 million miles. It's mapping the world 5 times faster than Google did, and it's just getting started. Here's another idea brought to us by Starbucks. Starbucks has a loyalty rewards program with 29 million members, 1 in 10 Americans. This loyalty rewards program costs Starbucks a lot of money to operate, and so Starbucks is lowering its expenses by launching NFTs, non-fungible tokens, on the Polygon blockchain. These NFTs are rewards. You get things like exclusive coffee tastings. But here's the thing. Because they are NFTs that Starbucks is giving you, you own them. So if you don't want the reward that Starbucks has sent you, you can sell it. And some of these are selling for $500. It's very low cost for Starbucks to produce and distribute these digital collectibles, and you benefit as well. And now consider this one, Coinbase. This is a crypto exchange, publicly traded company. They employ thousands of people, millions of customers in 100 countries. Those customers have deposited $80 billion so they can trade crypto. And Coinbase makes money by charging a 1% fee on every transaction. Coinbase is in an industry called traditional finance. Just like every other brokerage firm and bank, this is TradFi, traditional finance. And TradFi is a complicated and expensive business to operate. All of these companies, whether it's Merrill Lynch or Coinbase, they're centralized companies. All the functions of their business occur within their organization. But now there's a new version of a company not centralized but decentralized, called DeFi, decentralized finance. The DeFi equivalent to Coinbase is an outfit called Uniswap. This is a software program. It operates on the Ethereum blockchain. It competes with Coinbase. It lets users trade crypto just like Coinbase does. But Uniswap isn't a company. It has no employees and no offices. It's software, and it handles everything automatically. And that makes Uniswap a lot cheaper to use than Coinbase. And it's now just as popular as Coinbase, too. It processes the same trading volume as Coinbase, and soon it's going to be even bigger. The same is going to happen to all the centralized banks and brokerage firms. The new tech makes everything faster, cheaper, safer, easier to access and use worldwide. And last, let me tell you what Rihanna just did. The famous singer and songwriter, she just sold 300 NFTs. If you buy one, you own a piece of one of her most popular songs, which means every time it's played on Spotify, you get a cut of the royalty. Hey, I've just given you 6 examples of how blockchain and digital assets are improving our lives. Let me tell you about 3 investments that let you capitalize on this. The Global X Blockchain ETF, the Global X Blockchain and Bitcoin Strategies ETF, and the Global X Metaverse ETF. The global blockchain market was valued over $10 billion last year. It's expected to grow 10x by 2030, just the next 6 years. The Global X Blockchain ETF, the symbol is BKCH, invests in companies that are involved in blockchain technology, digital asset mining, transactions, hardware, and integration. The Global X Blockchain and Bitcoin Strategies ETF, the symbol is BITS, BITS, does all of that, plus it invests in the Bitcoin futures market. And the Global X Metaverse ETF, symbol VR, focuses on hardware and software providers, creators, collaborators, the companies building metaverse tech and metaverse platforms. The global metaverse market is already valued at $50 billion. It's forecasted to reach $1.3 trillion by the end of the decade. You really ought to take a serious look at these 3 ETFs. You can learn more about them at globalxetfs.com or talk to your financial advisor. And if you'd like to learn more about these commercial use cases and how crypto is going to improve commerce around the world, and if you want a deeper exploration of all the crypto commercial uses, join me for a webinar today, 2 p.m. Eastern. It's a 1-hour webinar, How Crypto is Really Going to Change the World. If you're a financial advisor, you'll get 1 CE credit. Everybody is welcome. The event is free. You can register at dacfp.com, dacfp.com. The link is in the show notes. Hope to see you there, and if not, I'll see you tomorrow.
The Truth About Your Future with Rick Edelman is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Schwab's passion for serving clients is more than standard practice. It's part of who they are. With transparent pricing, 24/7 live support, and a satisfaction guarantee, the people at Schwab go the extra mile to help you on your investing journey. They're not just financial people, they're people too. Learn more at schwab.com/whyschwab. That's schwab.com/whyschwab.
The Truth About Your Future is sponsored by Global X ETFs. Amid inflation, rising rates, and a host of other economic challenges, volatility has been one of the few constants lately. But as listeners of this show know better than anyone, it's important to look past the short-term headlines and focus on the bigger picture. Despite the ups and downs of the news cycle, exponential technologies continue to advance, shaping a world of new possibilities in engineering, transportation, healthcare, and renewable energy. At Global X ETFs, we offer a diversified product lineup, including risk management solutions to navigate the storm, along with thematic strategies targeting the growth opportunities of tomorrow. Whatever your goals, visit globalxetfs.com to explore how our research and insights may help you achieve your goals.
How do advances in science, technology, and medicine translate into investment opportunity? Listen and learn.
This is The Truth About Your Future with Rick Edelman.